The Design and Technology Institute is bent on strengthening public-private partnerships. According to its Chief Executive Officer, Constance Elizabeth Swanica, the institute is ready to work with the Ghana Standards Authority to implement the precision quality that will seek to standardize and enhance the development and testing of prototype products to meet Ghana's industrial needs for artisans. She spoke to Joy Business at the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding between the DTI and the Ghana Standards Authority. We have more.
The MoU is to intensify collaboration in developing standards and improve practices among small and medium-scale enterprises, especially craft professionals. It also forms part of DTI's collaborative strategy to work with key stakeholders to achieve the objective of transforming the TVET livelihood program for sustainable jobs, which seeks to enable 3 million young people, particularly women, to access dignified and fulfilling work opportunities by 2030. Here is the Chief Executive Officer for the Design and Technology Institute, Constance Elizabeth Swanica.
The importance of today's signing of the MoU is really to signify the need for private sector to work more closely with the public sector. In our case, the mandate of the Design and Technology Institute is to really push for the agenda of the need to certify the informal sector, most importantly the artisanal sector. I think big on the agenda is the need for job creation and how do we unlock the potential for high quality jobs. Industry has very high standards. Customers also have very high expectations of, if you're buying anything and you're also demanding service, there's the need to have quality goods and services coming out.
The Director General of the Ghana Standards Authority, Professor Alex Dodu, believes standardization of artisanal work across the country will create more jobs.
On one hand, we've actually started working with DTI already. Our focus is that how do you formalize the informal sector, and how also do you create jobs for people in carpentry, masonry, metal fabrication, deep sea welding. We need to develop a standard, and the request we expect is by Monday, so that we would form a technical committee in line with how we do the standards. That will involve all the stakeholders. Once you have a standard, you can certify or license to that standard, and that is the next step for us.
The 3-year project seeks to create 40,000 direct and indirect job opportunities for the youth, especially young women, through TVET. Under the project, DTI will work with the Ghana Standards Authority to develop standards that will guide the development and testing of prototype products that will serve the ever-growing industrial needs of Ghana and the sub-region. James Ishen's report for Joy Business.